to leaders to lead with conscience, and a call to all of us to remember that Lesotho's and Africa's story is still being written and that we are now its authors. Your Excellencies, Bomme le Ntate, your presence here tonight affirms that the legacy of our father and leader, His Majesty King Moshoeshoe II, is not locked in the past. It lives in those who still believe in unity, service, and moral leadership. Your presence demonstrates your belief that remembrance is not about looking backward alone, but about carrying forward that is worthy. Bomme le Ntate, setjhaba sa heso, molaetsa ona wa kajeno o re o fuweng puong ya moeti wa rona o re hopotsa hore boikarabello ba rona re le baetapele ke ho sebeletsa setjhaba ka boitelo, nnete, toka, lerato le qenehelo. Boetapele bo jwalo ke bona bo ka re bopelang kgotso, bonngwe, kutlwano le poelano. Ka hona ke mema moetapele e mong le e mong ho ikana ka thoko e reng Lesotho ke phelela wena, mme ke tla shwela wena fela. Mathata le ha ka re pota-pota a leka ho re ferekanya, ha re tshwere letho hobane ha re baeti, lefatshe lena ke la rona. O ne a rialo ntata rona motlotlei Moshoeshoe wa bobedi. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as we depart from this gathering, let us carry its lessons, that justice must walk with compassion, that unity is the strongest shield of a nation, and that the worth of a ruler is measured not by the splendor of his crown, but by the faithfulness of service. May the spirit of His Majesty King Moshoeshoe II continue to guide our steps, inspire our leaders, and bless our land with peace and prosperity. And may we, in our time, prove worthy of the heritage entrusted to us. Ntate, with the respect of a nation and the gratitude of a people, I offer my sincerest thanks. Thank you for your wisdom that you have generously offered across our borders. Thank you for memory that has strengthened our purpose. And thank you for a vision that refuses to surrender to despair. I thank you all for being part of this historic